What is up, guys? Madden here with a new video. Today we're gonna open up 5 brand new Shadows in Valhalla Yu-Gi-Oh packs. I got these today, and I actually got 8. I already opened 3, so these are the 5 that I have left over. So here we go. Let's go ahead and start opening these right here. Okay, we got a Yugioh Chaos Neos, Twilight Ninja Jogen. Oh, a super golden bamboo sword. Nice. Goddess Scold's Oracle. Yellow Dragon Ninja Secret. That looks pretty cool. Put that over there. Alright, let's see what else we can get here. Alright. Neospatian Glomoss. Oh, that is fucking awesome. Yes. Oh, it's an Ash Blossom, guys. Fuck. I'm always gonna prefer the secret one, though. Secret one's always cool. No. I'm just gonna deny this one. Just no. No. Oh, another super golden bamboo sword. Nice. And a second yellow dragon ninja. Not what I was expecting. Alright, here we go. Third pack. Oh, nice. High Speedroid Canbara? I think that's how you say it. Canbara. Goddess Vernandes Guidance. Okay. Upstart Golden Ninja. Alright. Ninjutsu Art of Transformation. Oh, Ninja Grandmaster Saizo. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure about how the new ninja supports are gonna fit into the Link archetype stuff, but no, at least they're trying to catch up. It's been a while since I've seen any ninja cards from back then, years ago, so we'll see how they do. Damn it, I don't want Mechaba. No, I don't want Invoke Mechaba. Valkyrie Erst or some shit. Fortune Chariot. Ninja Grandmaster Hanzo. Nice. Ooh, Secret Shadal Fusion. That's pretty cool. And the fifth and final pack. Here we go. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh, okay, Akashic Magician. Huh. Ah, damn it. Invocation, super rare. White Dragon Ninja. That's cool. Mist Valley Apex Avian. Nice. Oh, that's not so bad. Gem Knight Seraph Knight. I mean, I got the super one of this. This looks pretty cool. Alright, so let's see. So out of all these over here, let's see. Shadal Fusion, I guess. The Invocation with Mechaba. Oh. Seraph Knight, Saizo, Chambara, Yellow Dragon, 1, 2 Golden Bamboo, there's the other dragon, and of course, the Ash Blossom. Yes. So, all in all, not that bad. I mean, I think I got my money's worth with Ash, just with that. So, let me get the other ones at full. So the other 3 packs that I opened earlier, I got Super Megalo, another Valkyrie Drit, Grandmaster Hanzo, Chaos Neos, Goddess Scold's Oracle, Hidden Village of Ninjutsu Arts. Another bamboo sword, so that's a playset now. Another Ninjutsu Arts, and yeah, Mischief of Time Goddess. Then Neo Flare Scarab, Red Dragon Ninja, Goddess Renan's Guidance, Strike Ninja, another Chaos Neos, and Twilight Ninja Jogan. So yeah, that's what I pulled in all those. Alright. When I get more packs, I'll make another video of this, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any requests on which packs I should be opening, or how many you guys think I should open. I'm considering getting a box of the Valhalla ones later on. If I don't get that, then I'm gonna get the box of the next ones, and then maybe I'll do another Pokemon video. But later on this week, I'm gonna make another trade binder just as soon as I get my stuff in order, and I'll post it again soon. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.